Hello everyone, welcome to the video series of electromagnetic fields. So I'm very happy to meet you all in this video series. So in today's video we are going to see about what is meant by electromagnetic fields, a new topic series wherein which we are going to have a detailed concepts and discussions regarding the electromagnetic fields. So the topic we are going to cover in this particular video are electromagnetic fields. What does mean by electromagnetic fields, and what are the sources of electromagnetic fields, and what are its effects. So these are we are going to discuss today. Also we are going to see few applications of electromagnetic fields. So let's jump into the topic. First, what does mean by electromagnetic fields? As the name implies, electromagnetic fields are a combination of invisible electric and magnetic field of forces, and that is why the name electromagnetic fields comes from. They are generated by natural phenomena like Earth's magnetic field, but also by human activities. In current scenario, the electromagnetic fields are predominantly by the human activities, that is mainly through the use of electricity, because we cannot see a place without electricity. So everywhere electromagnetic field is present. Electromagnetic theory is concerned with the study of charges at rest and as well as in motion. So we always deal electromagnetic fields with first charges at rest, which is meant by electrostatics and magnetostatics, and then the charges when it is moving, which is the electrodynamic fields. So when the charges are in static position or in dynamic positions, we are going to study how these at rest conditions and in a dynamic motion varies its nature. So that we are going to discuss today in this topics. And also the electromagnetic principles are the fundamentals to the study of electrical engineering. So without knowing the basic concept of electromagnetic fields, we cannot even experience or visualize how electricity works or how it passes, what are the terminologies associated with electricity, how it flows, and how the associated magnetic fields are being produced. We cannot able to visualize or understand without knowing the basic principles of electromagnetic fields. And this electromagnetic theory is also required for the understanding, analysis and design of various electrical and electromechanic and as well as electronic systems. Now we will see what are the sources of electromagnetic fields. As we have already seen in the previous slide, so there are two sources of electromagnetic fields. One is natural source, the other one is human made. Natural source of electromagnetic fields is the Earth's magnetic field, whereas human made sources are due to electricity, and that too predominantly by mobile phones, power lines and computer screens and many more. So what I've mentioned here are few examples of equipments that generate electromagnetic fields. And then what are the effects of electromagnetic fields? So basically the electromagnetic fields has a drastic effect in humans. The low frequencies and high frequency electromagnetic waves affect the human body in different ways. It affects the human's nervous systems, and the towers we erect and the electromagnetic waves, it has a dangerous impact on humans as well as in birds and animals. So the towers that we erect has become a main cause for the extinction of birds. So it has a major impact on other living beings like birds and animals also. And also these electromagnetic fields affects our human respiratory systems and memory losses, and also these makes the land very unfertile sometimes, and that's why we have a very low production or reproduction by plants, and also the animals becomes extinct because of these electromagnetic waves. And also these electrical components, the usage has created more waste which are radioactive, as well as it is electronic components are hazardous for both the earth as well as for humans. So next, the applications. One of the most common application of electrostatic field is the deflection of charged particles such as electron or proton in order to control its trajectory, which is the basic principle behind mobile phones, TVs, and many more. So the deflection is achieved by maintaining a potential difference between a pair of parallel plates. This principle is used in CROs, inkjet printers, etc. So I've just mentioned two applications, but there are a number of applications of electromagnetic fields. Wherever you turn, wherever you look around the world, it is an application of electromagnetic fields. So it is available and present everywhere. It is being used. The mobile phones you carry, the vehicles you drove, everything is a part of an application of electromagnetic fields. So only by understanding these basic principles we can able to understand how all these things are working. So I hope this video has given a quite good start about the electromagnetic fields principles. In the upcoming videos we will see even more topics regarding the basic concepts or parameters in the electromagnetic fields. Thank you. Thanks for listening.